Alright my friends, welcome back to another video. Just got a couple of things to do here. Square set around here. And a expansion joint in the staircase. Alright, first before you start, you want to make sure it's all scratched back. Everything's nice and smooth, the angles, they're all scratched. Because you don't want to get any crap in your mix. So I just like to stick it on first. Just roughly. Oh, somebody didn't clean back over here. Naughty. And here, what the hell's going on here? Bro. And I'll go around the corner as well. I'll just load it up like this. And I'll come through and finish it all. I'm gonna go right around. I love this mud. It's called 4T. It'll be the best stuff ever. Really nice to stand too. Okay, I'll take my edges. Oh, a bit of a stretch. Okay. I'm going to push those bubbles out. Well, they're not really bubbles, but you can see it. Well, I can see it. Alright, next I'm gonna use my 6-inch blade. Just get it on there. I'll probably, once I've done this face, I'll go around and do that first edge again. So how's everyone doing today? Where's everyone watching from? What's everyone been doing? take that, and I will go through. These are a little bit big for my liking, so we're just gonna go through and hit them again. Don't wait too long for it to dry too much. Beautiful, and then we can take that a final time. There we go. Okay, looks pretty good. Just along here now. I'm not sure how visible everything is in here for you guys. Probably recommend mixing your top coat before you do this, but this stuff's pretty good. I mean, but if you've got a lot to do, just mix it. I'll take that top edge and then I'll go right around. And I'll take this and once again you may need to just carefully go over it. That. And then grab that. Just had to get this corner a bit better. Okay, that's good. I've just got this back edge to do quickly. And that's done. Yeah, it took a lot of time. Not exactly a drywall gangster, am I? But it looks good. A little bit shaky. Anyway, that's good. Let's move it on. Now this one we haven't prepped yet. Let me get the lid. Keep that there for a second. Just have to prepare this, scrape it down. always scrape down before you do anything, before you coat it again. And I've got this tool. It comes with this magic control joint, and it just shaped perfectly to go in there. I mean, you can use your blade, but sometimes you can pierce it and you don't want to do that. I'll take a blade over with me. Well, I'll put that in my pocket and I'll just scrape this back. I'm not sure what is going on with the stairs. I think these are temporary stairs. So I've left enough control joint over there in case it does need to be finished. Or they can just cut it there and be done. So I give them the option. All about the options. Just run your blade on. Get rid of anything that's gonna stick in your mix, including that. This bit here is a bit of a stretch, so it's kind of not pretty there. Okay, let's pull out this tool again. Works great. Where you have another story, it needs to be control joint. Sometimes people just put skirting board there, a piece of timber, and sometimes they do this. And I've used this before, and someone said that's not an expansion joint, and it says it on the packet that it is. Hopefully they don't get into the mix. Give it a good scrape, all of these kind of things. Okay, that'll do it. That will do it. We're ready to go, guys. Top coat time. Start down this end. Good tucker. Good tucker. All right, ready to go. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna put a guide up going over that. And one down here. Whoa, what am I doing? I'm looking at the wrong thing. Getting a bit dark. Guys, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I need you to do that. Okay. Now we're gonna get it on first, and then we're gonna smoothen it out. And I'll do both sides.